This is excitement. I'm watching the washing go round and round. The suspense is like a film. How long will it take to start spinning again? It kind of gets you into the mantra of spin. Let's have a good look inside. Now it's a bit like roulette. Which colour is going to come up? I bet red. Since it's my lucky colour. Let's see if red comes up. No, it's black. I lose. Damn. What I want to know, it's a bit like a love story. Will the black sock come down here and get off with the other black sock? Will the red nightie find happiness with the black jumper? Who knows? I think, while this is going on, I think I'll just have an explore up here. What's this? Pro action machine. I think I'll pull this out. No. No. Yes, I'll pull it out. Well, it wasn't good. See what happens. Which way? Have a look. Let's see what's in here. It's a bit disappointing, isn't it? Well, it's like life, isn't it? What's that blue thing? Shall I pull it? No. Oh, I can't resist. Don't pull it. I don't know what it is. Some kind of lever. We'll just leave that. Leave it alone. Right, I'll put that back. That's it. Now, let's have a look at this. What's this dial here? MC Hammer said he can't touch this, but he doesn't know about washing machines. So let's have a look. Now it says ready. I'm always ready. Now it says spin, drain, off. That's Jasmine's mother. Now wait a minute. It says here. It says cottons. 90 eco wash. That's when you wash members of the Green Party. Now wait a minute. It says gold wash, quick wash. It's Jasmine's mother again. And we have here. What do we have here? Synthetics. All the names of 80s, early 80s electro bands can be found here. See? Cold wash, synthetics, delicate and finish. It's making a funny noise. I bet red. I'm just going to sit in here and look a bit sort of like Audrey Hepburn when she did Moon River. Life in a washing machine, it's not a very nice dream. Life in a washing machine, it's not what it seems. Everything's wet, not the best you can get. Life in a washing machine, it's not a dream, it's not serene, it's just the type of thing that happens every day, in every house among Britain and Europe. It is the same, spinning around again, I'm making noise, I'm making sound, I'm watching the washing, I go round and round, I'm making a mantra, I'm making your head spin. Everything is in there. It can win. A washing machine spinning round. A washing machine spinning round. A washing machine spinning round. A washing machine spinning around.